but it's surrounded by forest and leaves and autumn vibes.
Yeah.
So it's pretty spectacular here. It's very atmospheric. We start today's road trip in a lovely German city of Dresden. From there, we take a half-an-hour drive to the town of Moritzburg. Once there, we are there to see the majestic Moritzburg Castle, which looks like something out of a fairy tale. So grab a coffee, relax and enjoy. It's 20th November 2018. We're on our way to Moritzburg Castle.
Yeah, it's nice, quiet little country roads.
Yeah, it's a little bit darkish here, but
It's a cloudy day.
it's a cloudy day.
It's very overcast.
Our windscreen unfortunately is very, very dirty.
Yeah, there's a wash.
We're not far, we're only a few minutes away now.
Yep.
1.5 kilometers.
Very close.
So we went Dresden, obviously. And we had lunch there. We had some chips with cheese.
It tasted nice, but it was a lot, very filling. We could have had just one shared between two, but we ended up having
we had two of them. And one of them was with chicken. It was too much.
Chicken was good.
Chicken was really good. And we saw lots of Russians there.
Yeah.
The next table.
Russians?
Probably a tour group.
Just do a whole stack of them.
Yeah, like website, just something like that. Yeah, looks interesting here.
It's fascinating. Fascinating little town.
Yeah.
Let's get there. It's beautiful.
Your destination is ahead.
Okay, so we're not far.
Okay.
Yeah, talk to you soon. Bye. Okay, we're just next to the castle here. Not far.
That's awesome. I reckon about here. Where that person is pretty much.
It's a couple of people here. That's a castle. Moritzburg Castle.
It's epic.
Yeah.
Stop there.
Hi, we are finally in Moritzburg Castle, which is just behind me. Yeah, it's completely gorgeous. It's definitely outstanding piece of architecture.
In the middle of a lake. It's surrounded by a lake. Or
Yeah.
a moat.
Yeah, it's. I think it should be really nice in summertime, visit lake, but for some reason it looks a bit dried out.
Yeah.
But it's surrounded by forest and leaves and autumn vibes.
Yeah.
So it's pretty spectacular here. It's very atmospheric.
And very cold.
And very cold too.
Yeah.
So it's about 3:25 p.m. in the afternoon. So I've been on our way to Leipzig, and this is just the place we had to visit because it was on our list.
Yeah, it was on the list. It was on the list.
So yeah, definitely no regrets coming here. It's pretty fantastic. Das ist fantastisch. Okay, we're gonna head off. Bye bye.